can you
Hello
send
everybody, it is Cats vs. Pickles unboxing video. Let's see what's inside this.
But how do you send one? How do you send one to make a video? Ew!
We have unboxed
A pirate pickle.
We unboxed
It's
Alicia.
I'm gonna open this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this one. Let's see what's this one. A unicorn.
What's its name? That's the question. What's its name? Twinkle Starlight. Time to open the last two.
Let's open the last. Ew.
What do we have here? What's its name? Cherry.
What's this name?
Ooh, Cherry the pancake.
What's this?
Ooh, it's an eggplant one. What's its name? We got Eggplant, the eggplant cat. And let's get our checklist.
I got another checklist.
We got eggplant.
I got another.
It says here we got eggplant.
Wait a minute. Why there's another pickle? Why there's another pickle?
There's Cherry.
We did not get the cereal one. Guys, we did not get the cereal one.
Look, there's Felicia. And
Guys.
last,
Oh, guys.
we got this unicorn. And there it is the unicorn. And now that we got all, that's it for this video.
Let's talk about this.
The end of Cats vs. Pickles.
Bye, bye.
Comment which one is your favorite.
Yeah, and subscribe me, Taya.
Subscribe and like the notification, like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. That's the end.